Good morning students, I Asad Patel welcome you to study from home. Today I am going to explain you the chapter Mangoes Round the Year. In this chapter I already explained you about food items and how food item is being spoiled. Which food item is spoiled in how many days, right? Now today I am going to explain you the story of Biji returned the bread packet. Aman's Biji went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. As we know, the shops of bread and the bakery generally crowded. The shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and gave it to Biji. She looked at it and returned it immediately. Now why she returned this bread packet immediately? She saw that the bread is already spoiled by seeing this black spot. You also can see this black spot on bread. So she come to know that this bread is spoiled and she returned it immediately. Biji returned the bread because its expiry date would have been passed. The expiry date of branded food product is usually mentioned on it. Now what is expiry date? They in advance they mention you that so and so product is going to expire, means spoil after so and so date. So that is expiry date. Generally you observe this expiry date, you could see this expiry date on medicines, right? See, this is the manufacture date, means the date where the product is manufactured, and below manufacture expiry date has been given, right? So this is expiry date, means on that day or after this date you are not supposed to use that food item, medicine or whatever the item, right? What can we know from what is written on the packet? We know about the price, weight, manufacturing date and expiry date of the product, right? When you buy anything from the market, what do you look for on the packet? We checked out its manufacturing and expiry date, its maximum retail price and its weight. Sometime expiry date has not been given, but instead of expiry date you can see the sentence best before 6 months, means you are supposed to use that food within a 6 month after you open it, after you uncover it, right? So whenever you open the product, you are supposed to use that product within a 6 month, otherwise it may spoil after 6 months. Generally best before 6 month deadline has been given on juice Tetra Pak, right? Now how does food get spoiled? We can do this experiment together. Take a piece of bread or a roti, sprinkle a few drops of water on it and put it in a box. Close the box. See the bread or a roti every day until you find some changes on it. Now what changes occur on the roti or a bread? We will see in the photograph. Student, you can see the changes, right? You can find green and black spots on the surface of roti, as well as you can see the green surface, right, cover the bread. Now what is that? This is fungi, right? When bread or roti gets spoiled, it is look like that, means the color of roti and bread has been changed when it gets spoiled. Now find out the reason for these changes. From where did the fungus come on the bread? For your information, fungus generally come in the season of monsoon, or generally fungus come through the humid and wet environment. These changes occur due to the rotting of the bread. The spore of fungus are present in the air, which begin to grow when they get conductive condition, means when they get wet and humid environment, they grow on a food. Student, generally this fungus you can see inside the jar of pickle, right, when it won't oil properly. Different kinds of food items spoil due to different reason. Some food spoil soon, some stay good for a long. As I explained you in a previous class, that banana may spoil after 2 to 3 days. Okay, if you keep this banana outside the refrigerator, if you will keep this banana inside the refrigerator or cold storage, it may stay for 7 or 8 days. Now, food spoil quickly in the rainy and summer season. Why? Because conditions in which food spoil quickly if cooked food is left open, right? If milk is not boiled properly, if green vegetables are not kept in a cool place or a refrigerator, right? So in a summer or in a rainy season, this fungus gets friendly environment and they spoil your food. If pickle, murabba, etc. are not produced from moisture, then they get spoiled, right? So this is all about food item and how this food is get spoil. Okay, in the next class I will explain you more about the item which you can preserve for a long time. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you.